Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we're going to talk about the Dollar General. I did a little haul and then I found a couple pennies. We're going to talk about that. And along with the Saturday 5 off of 25, we'll talk about that at the very end. I know that's been kind of just something that's up in the air, and the little information I have, I will share it with you guys. But I know a lot of you love the weather reports, so just kind of a photo taken of outside. It's actually about 78 degrees outside today. It's really hot. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a terrific day. Okay, so today is Penny Tuesday. This goes on till these items are out of the store. Special shout out to the freebie guy. He put together this list of pennies. And you basically just, go to the store, check out the clearance section or whatever. If they have it, scan it with the app. If it's ringing up for 0.00 or a penny, it's going to be a penny. And you can find this on the freebie guy's site or like Instagram or his website. Or if you want to just grab a screenshot here, these are the items that are part of it. There's also, he provides the UPC information, so you can also punch that into the app to see if your store may or may not have merchandise. Just like anything, this is like the first rule of Fight Club. There is no Fight Club. So don't go into the store asking for the pennies. Just discreetly go and look for them. If you find them, the employees have to sell them to you for a penny. First item I found, as you can see, this is an end cap. So the end of the aisle. They had a lot of books just crammed in there. I found 7 of these children. It's like some sort of educational book, and they were a penny. And I'll show you a little closer than this photo. And believe it or not, all these books had the exact same UPC. So I know my nieces will absolutely love them. And for a penny, you absolutely can't beat that price point. So it's by this company called Creative. You'll either find it or you won't. Look high and low around the store, like end caps or where they have seasonal books. Perhaps that's where you'll find them. And this is the UPC that was attached to all of them. And they rang up, the manager actually rang me up, and it was 7 cents for everything. Here it is, friends. I opened up the Dollar General app, scanned, and then I saw 0.01, so that is a penny. Some stores it'll ring up 0.00 and it'll ring up a penny at the till. And just to show you guys my receipt, here it is, 7 items, 7 pennies. And the manager rang me up and he was really cool about it. Okay, the next little item off the list that I found was the Hawaiian Punch. This is lemonade. I believe this expires in like June. It was etched on the side. I'm probably gonna, my husband actually might drink this. I don't drink anything with sugar, but he sometimes does. So maybe that'll be something to quench his thirst in the hot summer months. If you wish to open up the Dollar General app, here is the UPC. You can either type this in or scan it and then see if your store might have it. And I did scan this, and a couple other stores around me have it as well. But I'm not going to go too crazy because it has a very quick expiry date, and that is a lot of lemonade. So I'm not going to go too crazy with that. So another thing I was seeing at the stores were these 90% off signs for Easter seasonal books. And usually when it hits 90, it's like the next week it'll hit a penny. So wouldn't that be nice? I found a couple items. They had some bubbles, but they were so sticky that I'm like, I don't even want to buy this for 10 cents. But I did find this little peep book. It was $1 and then it was 10 cents today. And then a little cross stitch for 10 cents. Also super cute. So I just couldn't leave them in the store. So Easter books and these sort of crafty seasonal things, just look for it on an end cap. That's where I found them. And here is the UPC for the little cross stitch. And then that little book, even if I wanted to use it for math when I'm couponing, like how cute is this little book? So 10 cents, you can't beat that price point. Okay, so if I was a betting woman, I would probably have guessed that because the calendars were a penny a couple weeks back, I would have guessed that these planners, and they also had like a bigger legal pad, I thought they were going to hit a penny today or like 90% off. And guess what? It was like $3 and some change. But I think this is a product because it's been in that clearance area, kind of like maybe, possibly. I mean, I would love for it to be even 90% off or 75% off, but I didn't have any luck today. But definitely items if you love this sort of stationery stuff. These pads, I really wish they were like 30 cents today, but no such luck. They were still like $2 and some change, and I'm like, that is just way too rich for this girl. Definitely give them a scan if you like this sort of stuff. I do like paper products like papers and pens. I don't know if you guys are similar to me, but that's what I really, really like. I'll leave a video too at the end. This is $2.25. Like, I'm not rich. From $3 to $2.25. So I'm going to save 75 cents. Absolutely not. So at this second store, I didn't find anything. But what I did find, I was walking through the dollar aisle, and these Scope toothpaste are found in the dollar spot at Dollar General. And there are 3 different coupons that are giving overage for it. And where I live, yes, you can still get overage on coupons. I know some places you'll just get the item for free, so just be mindful of that. So, there's a 6 off of 4, a 5 off of 3, and a 3 off of 2. That's $5 of overage. So I just grabbed the chapstick to pick up the overage. You need an item to grab the overage. I mean, you could grab some clearance stuff if you want, but I really wanted these chapsticks. So here is the UPC if you want to open up the Dollar General app and scan. I'm going to let you guys know that this was a big thing a couple Sundays ago. I didn't even go to the store and do it. I think it was like 2 weeks ago because I was just busy working on a Walgreens video. And I'm like, yeah, $5 overage, but I couldn't find any locally. But today I went to this Dollar General in the country and found the bonanza of it. So go figure, isn't that always the way? But yeah, just be mindful that it might be hard to find, and I would look for it in the dollar spot. But just to show you, like, what are the digital coupons? Here they are. And I still had them loaded on this store card, so I was able to get $5 of overage with this, as the tubes were $1 each. That gives you $5 of overage. So it was really nice. I got some free chapstick today. Okay, so the last thing we're going to talk about is the Saturday 5 off of 25 and like what's going on with this. So as I went to a couple different stores, did a couple different deals, even the penny haul I did, I still got one of these, which is the 5 off 25 for Saturday. Now, I didn't go out last week because I just didn't want to do a 5 off of 25, guys, or even, 5 off of 35 or whatever I had on my store cards. My understanding is that the corporate is testing which coupons consumers will use, and if a lot of consumers use the 5 off 35, that's what they're going to go with. They're obviously testing out to see how many people are shopping, but I just didn't feel it last weekend, and the digital coupons were like thumbs down, like really chintzy. It'll work with this. What you would do is get the cashier to scan all your merchandise, punch in your phone number. When the cashier scans the last item, present this. The cashier scans this coupon and then presses the final pay button, and all your digital coupons will apply. Pretty easy process. The Dollar General app, at the very bottom it says Home, Deals, Wallet. You would hit Wallet, and then where the heart is just for you, press that and you'll see which coupon you have through the app. This is what I have on most of my accounts, which is a 5 off 35. I didn't even load it. I'm not even going to touch it with a 10-foot pole. If they're going to take this away and make this the norm, with inflation and everything else going, I don't think I'm going to shop on Saturday there because this is too rich. And I've also noticed the last 2 weeks, digital coupons have not been there for deals. So it's been really kind of difficult. So I'm okay waiting it out a couple weeks, however long they take. My understanding, people that have been messaging corporate, they mentioned something that they want to see what coupon is the most popular with shoppers and then just go from there. But some people are getting a 5 off 20, some people are getting this 5 off 35, and other people are getting like a 10 off of 60, which is not fun at all. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.